One of the only impact craters to exist in the entire southeast is in Wetumpka, Alabama. Around 83 million years ago, a cosmic object the size of Jordan-Hare Stadium struck the eastern side of Wetumpka. It left an impact crater the shape of a crescent. It also left a series of hills that rose over 300 feet tall. The crater structure was first noticed in 1969. It was discovered by a group of geologists from the Geographical Survey of Alabama. In 1976, they published a paper detailing that a meteor had created this crater. This theory was not widely accepted. However, this was proven conclusively in 1999. A team of scientists, including Auburn University's David T. King Jr., carried out a 630-foot drilling operation. One of these places was in the center of the crater. They found minerals of meteoric origins. These were minerals like iridium, chromium, cobalt, nickel, and shock quartz. All minerals found at other impact sites, iridium and shock quartz being almost exclusive to them. In 2002, the research team officially published its findings. Wetumpka then became the 157th known impact crater site on Earth. The crater is about 4.7 miles wide. The meteor struck this area when southern and central Alabama was mostly underwater. The meteor landed around 15 miles off the coast and in water about 100 feet deep. It's considered the greatest natural disaster to ever happen in Alabama. It caused a giant earthquake, a giant tsunami, and an atmospheric blast wave stronger than any hurricane straight-line winds. Also included was a cascade of falling rocks. On top of that, bedrock deep within the earth came up to the surface. Thousands of living things like dinosaurs, land animals, and aquatic life were decimated by this event. Despite the impact, it did not have global consequences like others. The area is said to be one of the most well-preserved marine impact craters in the entire world. The rim itself is still very visible, along with the unique cliffs left when the seawater receded back into place. Oddly shaped and pointing rocks are also found along the Coosa River, pointing upward and opposite of the way that they're supposed to be facing. The Wetumpka Impact Crater Commission is working to keep this knowledge alive. And if just learning isn't good enough for you, they also do annual tours where you can see different parts of the impact crater.